Hi everyone, welcome back. I am excited to do my birthday giveaway entry number 11, and this is from Regena Wallace, and I'm gonna pull this out. I had to cut the bag a little bit to get everything out. It was stuffed in there, and this little bell, it did get smushed, but that's okay. I can put a new one on there. But look how cute this is. I love how she put this mesh over top of this page. It's so cool. And she just glued around the edges, and then she added these cute little holographic little stars and moons and circles. It's so cute. And then I love this. This is so cute. And this book page, it's all kind of like a birthday party, right? So that was so apropos. And I love the lace on there. And then I love this quote. And she signed it. I love that. That is a beautiful quote. All right, let's open her up. Oh, look at this ribbon. That's really pretty. And we got a little tuck right here. So sweet holiday. Okay, so this is like a little gift card envelope. Love that. And we have this sweet little, oh, and here's her little Kentucky Crafter Sandy. Happy birthday. Wishing you the best year ever. Happy crafty and love, Regina. Peace in your life, love in your heart, joy in your home. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, thank you. I'll slide that back in there. And then we got a tuck over here too. That's very cool. And then this is a fun little pocket. Love the ribbon. And then we have, oh, look at that. That's so cute. Oh, and Regina. So she has a birthday in December. She lives in Indiana, so not too far from me. Beautiful. Oh, no. This is a trip she took for her birthday to Columbia, Indiana. I was like, yeah, she lives in Alabama. I was confused for a minute. Oh, how cool. Happy birthday, Sandy. And there's a beautiful vintage store in Columbia, Indiana. Oh, very cool. So that's the address for the store. Very cool. Oh, what a cutie. Very cute. And then Frosty. Oh, look at this cute little... Oh, this is really cute. Aw. I love this. Mistletoe. Family. Aw. I love the little top tuck. So cute. And then we got little things in the pockets. Oh, look at that butterfly. How pretty. You'll have to let me know. Are these digitals, Regina? You'll have to let me know. So cute. Oh, and then we got a side tuck here. Oh, that's a cool paper. Very cool. And that goes back in here. Oh, and we got another tuck right here. Love that. And, oh, that's pretty. Very pretty. And then we had that one, and then we have this here. So, oh, and she did a little flippy pad. Love that. So cute. And that goes back in there. Oh, and the photo. So that goes back in there. Oh, I love it, Regina. Such cute stuff. So good luck to you, and thank you so much for entering my giveaway. And so there might be one more entry, or this might be the last one. So if you have not seen me do a video on your entry, leave a comment down below and let me know. Otherwise, I think we might be ready. So maybe sometime, like maybe the weekend of January 22nd, I guess. Yeah, 22nd, 23rd. That weekend, I'll pick a winner. So if you have an entry coming and I haven't done a video on it, let me know. So I will wait to pick a winner till I receive your entry. All right. All right, guys. Good luck, Regina, and thank you for entering. And thanks, everybody, for watching. All right. See y'all in the next video. Bye.